Welcome to 1212 Hanover Drive Northwest, located in Concord, North Carolina. This 4-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home has beautiful LVP flooring throughout and new plantation shutters that complement the freshly painted walls. The spacious kitchen, with an abundance of natural light, boasts stainless steel appliances and pristine granite countertops. The dining room is also a great place to host formal dinners. The master bedroom is located on the main level and is accompanied with an ensuite master bathroom and walk-in closet. The his and her sinks and garden tub are adorned with new fixtures that complement the black marble counters. As you climb the newly updated staircase, you will find 3 bedrooms and a full bathroom on this level. The ample backyard space is ready to entertain friends on the deck located right outside of the kitchen. Welcome to your new home.